This is a song about Valentine's Day and all the bitterness of Valentine's Day and unprotected sex of Valentine's Day, Valentine's Day.
Greetings and salutations, this is Carla from MooreTalkJa and I am here with the MooreTalkJa 2014 Valentine's Day edition. I know that I'm uploading this on the Saturday after Valentine's Day, which has historically been recognized worldwide as Matey Valentine's. Now, if you do not know about this fact and you are sitting down watching this on a mobile device, like you're in a restaurant or something, there's a possibility that you might be Matey Valentine. Because right now all of the Chinese food restaurant them full up with people who couldn't see the man yesterday, because yesterday was Wifey Day, Valentine's Day, but the first Saturday after the whole round get to go out, it is Matey Valentine's Day. Own it up, make sure so you order the duck or lobster or something else that is seasonal and get the best out of your personal Matey Valentine. So I come here in a neutral color unless it's like a JLP like PNP thing, in which case the camera them not gonna like me. But I'm not wearing red and black, which is the color of Singles Awareness Day. Sometimes known as anti-Valentines, and I'm not wearing red and white, which is the color of Valentine's Day, sometimes known as Jesus Christ me sick for hear the love song them day. And so what I've come up with is alternate names for Valentine's Day. If we were really honest about what Valentine's Day was about, what would I call it? So the first one up is Singles Awareness Day. The second one is Happy I Bought Your Gift at the Drugstore Day, because everybody knows it. The day before Valentine's Day and on Valentine's Day itself is not a really good time to make your hypertension medicine run out or something like that, because there's no space in the line at the drugstore for you. Everybody is there buying like liquor beer with hot in the foot, like one of them dog yeah we have like love ya and kissing their mouth and all of them type of something there. Them buy the whole of them type of something there right now, because them never have the forward thinking for do it. So around Valentine's Day, if you can't actually get your Valentine's shopping early, at least get your medication stocked up before Valentine's Day land. Happy everybody in the office a giggle called Dirty Talk and Dashway Day, and you know that it is true, especially the little one young girl who just come start working at your office and nobody not really sure them like her. She in the corner lock off all day with her man, and him a talk to her like the green of the pianist, but piano one tune and all of them type of something there. Happy there are sweat stains under my arm from running to and from flower shops because I forgot to get you anything day. No. Everybody knows that right now, on Valentine's Day, you're going to have to run from shop to shop, gathering the one carnation, the two chrysanthemums, and the two red rose them with like the brown wilt up petal them, because you never really did order everything from time. Take my advice. Drive down the roadside and pick the something them off of the side of the road. Government is not going to charge you, and it's going to turn out better than what you're trying to do now. Happy only day of the year you'll get R-rated sex instead of PG day, because you know them people there where them save up the type of eng pan fan something them for special occasions. Happy you're gonna get it like that day. Happy rewear your Christmas clothes cause it's red day, because I see all of the girl them at the, you know the girl them at the stoplight, they come out with the rose them who always have on like some combination of like fishnet stockings, like a little rider, some type of red t-shirt where like cut up and string up and tie up, and then the Santa Claus hat for them have on, because it's red and white. People, I understand that red and white is the theme, but the Santa Claus hat have a very specific, you know what? You know, my girl, make your money. A check is a check. Make your money. Happy the money is there day. Or remember when something that did go on Twitter, when the girl did have it out with her mate, and when the man just jump in and say, you don't need to worry about that because the money is there. We can get cheesecake and him someday. Happy the money is there day. Happy girl at the stoplight selling roses will confuse your father and your brother with your boyfriend day. Listen, young ladies who sell roses at the stoplight, please understand that despite the fact that it is Valentine's Day and the world has started to belong to couples, some of us still drive around with our family members. Please stop telling every man that is sitting beside a woman that is to buy the flowers for his girlfriend, because it's not, I'm a brother. Happy wear red and black as a political statement there. Me used to do that. You see me used to do up a UE? Me used to have on the red and black proper because I was in mourning for all of the love lost. And this thing would even transcend if I was in relationships, would I still celebrate Singles Awareness Day in solidarity with my friend them. I mean, used to mean it, you know, like would I wear the full black head to toe black, you know, with like the red belt or the red suspenders, you know, you couldn't tell me nothing. Singles Awareness Day, keep it strong, keep it pimping. Happy the man come home late because he was having pre-Valentine's with the mateys, so he could have spent the whole day today with you day. Yeah, all of my ladies who recognize that the man them just come home extra late last night, that's because I know him can't see matey. So him do what him have to do for make sure him can free up the day for you. Yeah, when him come home, you need to do the sniff test and them type of something. They just go around him color all around him and smell out all him body. Happy make sure you not drive go work, I'm gonna try to get him meet a 15-minute link before him come for your day. Yeah, everybody know that. If the man not pick you up directly from work, him gonna try link up matey in the parking lot of somewhere before him come to link you up. So if you know what good for you, make sure say you grow thin and your 2 foot them turning in a flipper and him have to pick you up directly from work. Although honestly, if you have to be doing all of this for just get the man for do what I need for do, maybe I need to allow the man there. Because if you need all of them taxes, you have to keep the man in line, set him free. Happy dig up in your barrel for the one piece already your own, because your officer have mandatory red and white uniform for the day. Yeah, everybody knows that the office them I try to get well festive right now, and I try to have pixie and all of them type of something there. You is the type of person that wear gray, like navy blue and brown, and them why you wear red. Good luck digging up the something that you did wear to that one church event. Them did have that one Christmas when you and your whole family did style for wear red because in a festive, because you don't have anything else to wear. Just a little note, if you sprinkle things with like baking soda and put them down for a while, it can take out the smell of camphor ball. It's not gonna be perfect, but it's up to you to use the couscous to cover the rest. Happy good luck finding a meal as a single person, because everything at the restaurant is on the Valentine's menu and meant to be shared day. This haven't to you yet? You ever try go out on road on Valentine's Day and actually find something to buy for eat that is not KFC or Burger King? Because every restaurant comes up with a special menu that is made for couples. So whatever you buy, you get two. So if you buy salmon, I two of the salmon. If you buy like pork chops, I two of the pork chops. So them never feels like a Baptist and an Adventist I go there. Or them never feels like a Rasta and a Ballad I go there. Where me could have want something and you could have want something else. And if you is a single somebody who buy it, you know, be prepared to buy food for 2 days. Be prepared that you is going to buy your meal and your Bombay. Because them not really have time to separate out none for you. Them buy everything in a bulk, it coming up here like twin. So good luck finding a meal out there. If you know what do it, stick it got KFC. KFC not really recognize any type of holiday. Happy watching every episode of Sex and the City Day. And I can tell you that one because say I'm single, so you know I'm a reserve. Say Sex and the City is straight. We not make it go away. Happy convincing yourself the man that's been jerking you around is your Mr. Big Day. I mean, you want to notice it? So back in our mother and with granny generation, any man who did cheat pan with people, help with cheat pan people with people, have we not the most nasty hotel room and do all them type of things, then turn around left at the altar, then would I tell you so that man is straight up and simple a Jan Crow, and you must get rid of that man. But since Sex and the City come in for our generation, that man is our Mr. Big, and the worse he treats us is the more of a sign it is that this man is our true love. Good luck convincing yourself on that, but happy sitting down and being lonely and trying to rework all of the stories about this man to turn him into your true love day. Happy booty call in your true love day. For all the people them who can't actually deal with them true love on Valentine's Day and can only sneak out a one call, yeah, my heart is with you, but you need to stop them something and do what you need to do so you can actually deal with them. Happy him better propose today or else. You know them people there where them give like a silent ultimatum, and when the Valentine's Day come like them just like taking in your pocket and look for ring and all of them type of something there. Happy it's a good day to propose day, because you know plenty of people right now a bossy proposal. Happy 9 months from now you're gonna need a receiving blanket day, because you know a lot of people forget to buy the gift, and for the gift what them give you Valentine's Day sex, which is gonna lead to a baby a little further on down in the year. Happy $300 for 5 little piece of chocolate. Do you know the little chocolate them are coming at the heart and it's like 5 pieces of chocolate and them I charge you $300 why the chocolate line would go. So me buy my chocolate in a bulk, you know. Bulk because it is cheaper. Yeah, that's how I buy it and I don't feel any way about it. Look here, single people, here's a word of advice to you. Don't buy any chocolate right now. Give it about 2 weeks because all of them going to go on sale. Honestly, you saw what happened when Christmas came. By now, the all of the big old candy cane them with the Smarties, they're on sale. If you cannot actually get a loving relationship for Valentine's Day, the least you can do is get some economy chocolate. So don't buy anything else yet. Just hold on for 2 weeks to come. Happy sale up on Plastic Flowers Day, Ray. Happy matey shall be going out to dinner the following Saturday. Happy Luther Vandross and Celine Dion Day, because you know, so them don't really have time for anybody else on the airways right now, unless it is them feeling real festive and I'm gonna put on you. Happy drinking red wine by yourself day. Nothing wrong with that. And happy Elevation Day, or Elevation Day as I call it. So that's E-L-O-V-E-ation. Because it don't really make sense how you make yourself bitter and unhappy for 24 hours because of something that, honestly, if you think about it, is not really something that you should associate with love. And also because of something that has just been turned into a big commercial thing. Look here, if you're single today, you did single the day then before that, unless the man dump you right before Valentine's Day because he might try save money and him have too much, I don't know. But either way, nobody never love you upon the day then before either, so where you bitter for? I see a thing where say, oh, you're single on Valentine's Day, some people not have mother upon Mother's Day or father upon Father's Day, and them still have to live, so what the point? Yo, love is lovely. Romantic love is lovely. It's beautiful. I love it. There's nothing that I love more than being in love. But honestly, if you're not in love with somebody right now, just love yourself, yo. And find the other people around you when I have nobody. I love them in that way and love them up. Yo, I'm going to buy Valentine's gift for everybody in my house. I'm not really giving nothing. I'm not bitter about it. Because my mother has been my Valentine since the day I was born. So, yo, 24 hours out of your day. designated to bitterness. See what other people do on them timeline, that don't make any sense. Love yourself, spend time with yourself, drink your wine is a good excuse for eat chocolate, and me look for any excuse for eat chocolate. All of them little stuff dog and them type of something, they laugh at the foolishness that happen at the stoplights and just enjoy yourself. So Singles Awareness Day, or Valentine's Day, or Elevation Day, or the Money Is There Day. Rock it with your best friend Lucille. This is my pillow pet, I'm gonna shame her. And just have a wonderful time. Big up to Dreamy Riley, because this vlog is being brought to you in HD. Thank you to Dreamy Riley for that awesome camera that you gave me there. I will see you later on in the week with my other like a vlog idea. And only just remember this name. Remember the name, Martina Moore. Just remember that name. It's a person. She's like me, but she's not exactly me. Martina Moore, just look out for she'll come. Matey, when you enjoying the Chinese food dinner, make sure you order the duck or something seasonal, you know, make sure you get something that costs money. Single people a bit about it. The day is over. Proceed with watching your Grey's Anatomy or whatever it is you do to keep your time. People who are in love, keep it pim. Nice upon one another, love upon one another every day. And for anybody who don't fall outside of that, I love you. Goodbye.
This is a song about Valentine's Day and all the bitterness of Valentine's Day and unprotected sex of Valentine's Day, Valentine's Day. This is a song about Valentine's Day, roses at the stoplight of Valentine's Day, and teddy bears with heart-shaped feet, Valentine's Day, Valentine's Day.